VIA Technologies is officially launching its new Mobile360 D700 drive recorder, which is a commercial-grade dual-camera fleet management solution. This sophisticated dash cam features two 1080p cameras, one facing the road and one facing inside of the vehicle, so that fleet managers can both monitor their vehicle surroundings as well as their drivers, 4G LTE wireless connectivity and GPS support, along with CAN bus integration, which provides telematics data to fleet managers and makes suggestions for route and fuel efficiency, Microsoft IoT plug-and-play certified cloud integration for live fleet monitoring, a customizable Android smartphone app for real-time asset management, and 4 infrared LED light sensors for high-quality night vision footage. With VIA's Mobile360 D700 drive recorder, fleet managers will be able to better monitor all of their fleets, ensure the safety of their drivers, have irrefutable evidence in the case of an incident, improve driver behavior, and save money through enhanced efficiency and reduced liabilities.